Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to fill in your Google AdSense tax form as a UK limited company. And to do so, it's very simple. Just visit the Google AdSense website and log in to your account. And then go to Manage Tax Info right here. After that, you will have this little button, Add Tax Info. So click on it and then click on Start Form. And here you will have this panel, United States tax info, and this question, what type of account is it limited? So the name of your account, obviously. Here, just click on non-individual slash entity and then click on next. After that, you will have this question, is your entity organized or incorporated in the US? It's very important that you put no as the company is in the UK. And here you will have these types of form. So just click on W8BNE and then go on start the form. After that, you will be asked to fill out some forms like the tax identity, address, etc. So as you can see here, we will start by the tax identity. So the name of the organization, the type of organization, so DBA, name or disregarded entity, the country, region of incorporation or organization. So here just put United Kingdom and the entity type. Okay, and here you will find the taxpayer identification number, so the foreign TIN of the UK. After that, after you fill out this form, as you can see here, I put in the entity type, which is corporation, the country, region of incorporation or organization is United Kingdom, etc. And for the foreign TIN, just put in the UK TIN. After that, you will have to fill out the address form. And here, just click on this little box for the permanent residence address. And here, choose in the country, region of residence, United Kingdom, your street address, etc. After that, you will have this little panel of the tax treaty. Okay, just click on yes here for the question, are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? Just click yes, and then here choose United Kingdom and tick this little box also. After that, you will have this little box here that is the limitation on benefits. Just click the company that makes the derivative, and after that, go to special rates and conditions and choose services such as AdSense. For the article and paragraph, choose Article 7, Paragraph 1, and for the withholding rate, choose it as 0% and tick this little box. Then click on Next. And after that, you will have the activities and services performed in the US. So assuming you don't employ anyone in the US to do your work, just click on No. This tutorial will not cover the businesses that employ people in the US. So just click No and Next. After that, you will have this tax reporting. Then click Go Paperless, so they send you the tax reports by email. And then click on I accept the paperless delivery agreements, and then go on and click Next. And for the document preview, if you are sure of whatever you typed in the form, if everything is okay with you, just click on I confirm that I have reviewed the generated tax documents and click on Next. Then after here, you will have the tax form certification, and you will check this little box under penalties or perjury. I declare that all this text, so please make sure that you read it. And then just go to this I certify that I have the capacity to sign for the entity that identified in the tax identity section, okay? And then here just type your full legal name and then click on submit. And here, as you can see, if I go back on the home page, you will find the form W8 BNE services with the service WHT rate 0% claimed. And that's it, guys. That was very easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.